Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can add a mathematic equation or math equation to your pages on Microsoft Loop. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your page on Microsoft Loop. Let me go with that one here and start a new command anywhere you like on your page. Let me add it here and enter the command /math, and you will see inline equation and math equation. So select the one you would like to go with, and you will see that default equation here. Now, I'm not a mathematician, so I don't know any equations, but you can enter them here, guys. Simply press enter to skip to the next line and enter your next equation, like, well, I don't know, guys. So any mathematic equation you like. You may also choose the coding language here, which is this one here for mathematic equations, or any other that applies. And you may customize also the display options here, line numbers, for example. You will see the equation in the preview below for that one here, for that one. So if I, for example, remove that one, you will see this one here as a preview. So use the equation you like, and that's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.